If you're on a new Symbaloo account, you may notice some rotating backgrounds or wallpapers behind your web mixes. These can also be skipped by clicking on the Next Wallpaper button in the footer of the page. However, if you'd like to turn these off, you can do so simply in your Account Preferences section. Once here, go to your submenu for Preferences and simply uncheck the Show Wallpapers button and click Save. Now, when we go back to Symbaloo, we'll see a black background and that the wallpapers are now turned off. Of course, if you'd like to still spruce this up a little bit, you can always change your wallpapers here in WebMix Options, or choose to upload your own. If you have any questions or need assistance, please let us know at symbaloo.com. Thank you.